Hello everybody, it's your immigration attorney, Ruiz, here with you today to talk to you a little bit more about the 601A waiver. Now the 601A waiver is for people who have been in the United States unlawfully, who are now going to travel to their country of origin, to the U.S. consulate there, to obtain lawful permanent residency. Now, the 601A waiver is necessary because if you have unlawful presence in this country, meaning you've been here without permission, you've been here illegally, as they like to say it. If you've been here for more than 180 days, but less than 364 days, then you get a 3-year bar. A 3-year bar from re-entering the United States when you leave. If you've been here unlawfully present, without permission, for more than 365 days, then you get a 10-year bar. You cannot return for 10 years once you leave. So, remember that the consular processing is when you're going to go to your country of origin to apply for the green card. So, the moment that you leave the country, you're going to have a bar. You can't come back. Now, there is a waiver. In the past, you had to ask for the waiver outside of the country. You had to leave, get denied, have to ask for the waiver, and then maybe, if it's approved, then you can come back. It would take months, if not years. What's the 601A waiver, which is a relatively new waiver, what it does, it allows us to ask for the waiver in the United States before you leave to the consulate for forgiveness. We'll say, yes, I did it, but please forgive me. I have a qualifying relative, which is your spouse or your mom or dad who are U.S. citizens or permanent residents. One of those people is going to suffer extreme hardship. Now, extreme hardship is a technical term that has a very specific definition for immigration law. It means that it's something more, something beyond the natural consequences of separation. So you have to have a mom, dad, or spouse who's going to suffer extreme hardship. It is a very difficult waiver to get approved, but we can get it done for you. It takes a lot of work, but it's doable. There's no limit as to the amount of times that you can do it, and it does not expire. So once you get it approved, it'll last until you go to your interview. So once you have the waiver approved, you'll go to the consulate. If you get approved, you can come right back in. You no longer have to wait months or years to return to your country and to your loved ones. You can come right back in. My last client went and came back within a week. We had her waiver approved. She went to the interview, she got her fingerprints done, she had her medical exam, and then she waited for her packet, and because she had the waiver ready and approved, she came right back in within the week. If you think you need a waiver, let me make sure that you know this. Do not leave the country without verifying that you do need a waiver. If you do need a waiver, give us a call, we'll help you with it. Now, I want to make clear that this waiver, the 601A waiver, only forgives the unlawful presence. If you have immigration violations or criminal history, there are different waivers with different standards for them. Never leave the country without knowing whether you need a waiver. If you need any help with this, call us. Our number is 832-390-4664. We're here to help you. We'll get your waiver approved and we'll do everything we can to help you throughout the entire process. You can find us online at luisruizlaw.com. And you can find us on all social media, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Our handle is Luis Ruiz Law. Thank you.